welcome back to my channel. My name is Meghna, and if you're new to my channel, then make sure you do subscribe and also click on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. So today's video I will be sharing my top 6 skincare products which are under rupees 250. I've already done a top 6 under rupees 250 of makeup products. I will link it up here so you can click there and check it out if you haven't seen it already. There's also this misconception that skincare has to be expensive, and that's not true at all. There are really affordable products, good skincare products that will make your skin healthy, but they'll also not put a hole in your pocket, so they're really affordable. Skincare is something that is quite subjective. A product that is going to work on my skin need not work on your skin. It may not, but most of these products I have even recommended them to my friends and family, and they've all really loved it. On that basis, I am showing you these products. So yeah, if you guys want to know what these 6 amazing products are, then please keep watching. Number 1 is the Avon Naturals Papaya Cleanser. If you guys have been following me for some time, you would know that this is something that I absolutely love. This gives you 100 grams of product and it retails for 190 rupees. I bought this on a whim when I saw it on sale on purple.com. This has just been so amazing on my skin. After removing my makeup with the makeup remover or a wipe, I always use this cleanser. It literally extracts all the gunk out of your face and it lets your skin breathe. So this is really good in cleaning out all that muck on your face, especially makeup or any kind of dirt. One of the major ingredient in this is papaya, and it also has avocado. So if you guys want a good cleanser which is under 250 rupees and also makes your skin squeaky clean, doesn't cause breakouts, at least on my skin, and just makes it look more glowy, then this cleanser is definite must have. Number 2 is the Baby Lips Electro Pop Lip Balm, and this is in the shade Pink Shock. Now I do realize this is not exactly skincare, but it's lip care, but I'm just gonna roll with it and include this in this list. This is like my 3rd tube already. I love this lip balm, especially in this flavor. It smells of watermelon, but yeah, it's called Pink Shock. It gives you a very pretty pink tint. I just love this color. It just flatters my skin tone so well, and I think it's really good for those who are looking for a good lip balm that won't hurt your budget but will moisturize your lips throughout the day and will give a very natural pink tint. Then this is a perfect lip balm. This retails for 190 rupees, which is, I would say, a bit expensive as compared to the other baby lips lip balms you get, but you get this on sale all the time, like on Amazon and Purple and Nykaa. You can easily get this for like 130-150 rupees. Also, I will link down all the products down below in the description bar, so make sure you check that and you can go ahead and directly buy them if you're interested. Number 3 is, no surprise, the Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel, and I think every blogger, vlogger, YouTuber, human being who has used this has been raving about this and has absolutely loved it. The reason is that it is 95% natural product, so it's 95% of aloe vera, which is so good for your skin. Claims to give you glowing fair skin, instant solution for pimples and wrinkles, which is absolute crap. It is not an instant solution at all. If you have wrinkles or pimples, then it's not gonna go off in a jiffy. You need to use it over a period of time, but you do realize once you start using this that your skin is kind of glowing and it tightens up your pores. Just holy grail for me. This is like my 3rd big tube, and I also have the other variant of it, which is the Saundarya Aloe Vera Gel, which has chandan, but as you can see, I've almost finished it, but I don't think I'll be repurchasing this because this is more expensive than this one, and it didn't do anything special. I think it just works like this one, so I don't see why I should spend more money and purchase this when I can actually see the results in this one. This is what I apply every morning and every night before sleeping. It gives you 150 ml of product and it is for 80 rupees, which is so freaking affordable. Number 4 is also a Patanjali product, and this is their Neem Aloe Vera Face Pack with Cucumber. I remember when I first used this, I literally found immediate results. My pores were visibly smaller, my entire skin really tightened up. It felt like my skin was glowing, and the cooling effect of this is the highlight for me, because for me, when I come back from dance practices and rehearsals. Oh, and my skin is like complete with dirt and sweat and all of that. I love using this then because it just really calms my skin and makes my entire body relax, because it just gives such a cooling sensation. So yeah, this is definitely my go-to face pack. I love it. This is my second tube, and it's almost over. So yeah, this gives you 60 grams worth of product and it is 60 rupees, which is again really affordable. One tube lasts like for 7 to 8 uses for me. So yeah, it's pretty good. Now just hear the ingredient list. It has 400 milligrams of aloe vera, 140 milligrams of multani mitti, 50 milligrams of neem, and 20 milligrams of kheer, which is cucumber. So you can just hear from the ingredient list that this is like really natural and organic product. Obviously it will have some base material like some fragrance and added color, but other than that it's all natural. So I am all for natural products when it comes to skincare, so this is a definite must buy. Number 5 is rose water, and I'm not talking about any particular company of rose water. This is something I got from like a salon kind of place. It has a shop also. It's in Commercial Street and it's called Horizon. So that's where I got this rose water from. You get it for really cheap. They make it themselves. This one was for I think 70 rupees and you get this much of product. And this has lasted me for so long. I think it's almost been a year and I use it every day in the morning and at night before sleeping. Rose water I think is like the perfect toner you can ask for, and it's also the most affordable one. I know there's so many really expensive toners and really fancy toners with all sorts of things in them, but I just feel like when it comes to skincare, the simpler the ingredients are, the better. Same goes with rose water. That's why I feel like that kind of toner that works best for my skin, and it's also less meddled with in terms of ingredients because it's just rose and water. So yeah, I just love this to tone my skin, to cleanse my skin, and it just makes my skin appear so fresh and glowy. So this is definitely a must have in your kitty if you're in a budget and want a good toner. Number 6 is the Clean and Clear Oil Free Moisturizer. Again, if you guys have been following me, you would know like this is what I use before all my makeup tutorials. This is like my third bottle and this is also over. This is by Johnson & Johnson. It gives you 100 ml of product for rupees 80, so which is again quite affordable. I love that it does what it claims, which is it's an oil-free moisturizer, and I am all for non-greasy moisturizers. Since it's oil-free, it doesn't clog my pores, which is like a big thumbs up. If you guys are looking for a good non-greasy oil-free moisturizer, this one is an amazing option because it's also so affordable. So those were my top 6 skincare products under rupees 250. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and give this video a big thumbs up. All my social media handles will be on your screen, so make sure you follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. I'm quite active. Oh, also I'm planning to do a weekly vlog and I want to put up my vlogs on Mondays. So there will be a video on Monday, there will be a regular video on Wednesday and Saturday. So let me know if you guys are up for the vlogs, and if you're interested, do let me know. And that's about it. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.
You are the icing on my cake. You are the smile I can't replace. You are